In this video, I'm going to solve the ALEKS problem called additive property of equality with a negative coefficient. This problem is asking me to solve for W in the equality 236 minus W equals 94. Anytime we're being asked to solve for a variable such as W, in this case, what we need to do is get that variable isolated all by itself on either the left-hand side of the equal sign or the right-hand side. Our W term is already on the left-hand side of the equal sign, so I'm going to leave it over there, but I want to isolate it. And that means I want to take this 236 and move it over to the right-hand side of the equation. And the way that I'm going to do that in this particular case is get rid of the 236 on the left-hand side. So I'm going to subtract 236 on the left-hand side, and that's just going to get rid of it. Now, whatever I do to the left-hand side of the equation, I have to do the exact same thing to the right-hand side of the equation. That's what keeps the left side equal to the right side. 236 minus 236 is just 0, so all that I'm left with on the left-hand side of the equation is negative W. Now, on the right-hand side, I have 94 minus 236, which I'm just going to do with my calculator over here, and that is negative 142. Now be careful, this problem is asking us to solve for W, and what I have done here is solved for negative W, which is not exactly the same thing. I need to figure out what positive W is. In order to do that, I am going to do some sort of math trick, like a trick that I'm going to use is multiply the left side and the right side of the equation by negative 1. As long as I do the same thing to both the left side and the right side, it's not going to change the fact that the left side is equal to the right side. Everything is going to stay equal. Negative W times negative 1 is just W, and negative 142 times negative 1 is 142, and that is the answer to this problem.